What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Once again, behind me, I got my good old prized possession right now. My daily driver-ish Mustang GT 2018. God, do I love this car a lot. So I want to make this video today to talk about why this is basically no longer my daily driver. Of course, sort of in the background here, got my 2013 Toyota Tacoma. Those who are new to my channel, this is the truck I actually started this channel with, because at the time it was my only vehicle. And of course, I kept it saying it's going to be my daily driver. And of course, I've basically been driving the Mustang so much since I got it back in March. I've actually put more miles on this Mustang than I have on the Tacoma since I got the Mustang. Now, some of y'all know, when this video goes up, it's actually going to be my first day of school. I'm starting my master's degree. So, the Mustang is kind of getting retired, so to speak, as a daily driver. In fact, it's probably going to be put in the garage behind me. Kind of kept a little bit, not really going to be driven more than just the weekends, because it is not going to be driven as much. Now, the reason being, anybody knows anything about college kids, they love to just ding the living crap out of vehicles. I don't know if y'all can see, I do have my parking permit back up. So, good old daily driver Tacoma. Now, that's actually one of the reasons I kept this Tacoma, is I didn't want to sell it. It no longer be my daily driver. Fortunately, this house is now for sale, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to park in my neighbor's driveway. So what happens when you have cool neighbors, they let you park there. The truck, of course, has got several dings now on the back of it. Y'all probably can't really see on camera, but I think I've decided, though, when I do decide to get a new truck, it is going to be a V6 Tacoma, probably once I graduate. Still a good-looking truck, but kind of sad to see it start getting dinged again. I'm saying I wanted to fix it, like repair all the dings and everything, but the problem is, it's just the amount of money it would cost kind of outweighs not really the cost of, not really the value of the truck, because the truck's still going to be valuable. It's a Tacoma. Eventually I will sell this, but the problem is it is a 4-cylinder automatic Tacoma, 2-wheel drive. Not really the most desirable spec of Tacoma. Fortunately, that just kind of limits what I can do with it, the value of it. But some of y'all might remember when I did start this channel, like about a year and a half ago or so, I started it being called Taco Tom. So I did intend to build this Tacoma more, and I know some of y'all probably subscribed for Tacoma content that you just simply don't get. So I do apologize if you did subscribe for Tacoma content. If you are still left, I probably lost a lot of people who've subscribed just for Tacoma content, since Mustang is the star car of the channel now. Just posted one on my Instagram, well, yesterday, by the time y'all see this video, of a TRD Pro at the dealer. So I do graduate. I think this is going to be my next vehicle purchase. It's probably going to be a new truck. Not that there's anything wrong with this one. It only got a little under 40,000 miles, so it is low mileage for a 2013. For sure, if anything, not just a Tacoma. So, of course, and my thing is, right now, it is unofficially for sale. Someone honestly came by and offered me enough money for it, what it's actually worth, I would sell this. The problem is, if I put it up for sale, I know I'd have a hard time getting what it's worth. Because, like I said, it is 4-cylinder automatic, 2-wheel drive, access cab. It's like everything about this truck makes it the least desirable spec. Although, do have some good news, though, with the Mustang. It is, in fact, paid off. I just decided to go ahead and pay off my Mustang. So, as of this week, this is no longer a bank-owned Mustang. This is my Mustang. So, now this has been a little bit of a short video, but I do have some more in-depth plans coming for this video. Like I said, or more this channel, I should say. Like I said, now that I have Fridays off, I have one day a week during the week off, along with Sundays. Like, I have more time to film. I'll have more time to make content. I do now work Saturdays. Well, I've been working Saturdays. Because of that, I do get one weekend off, so I do still plan to go to Cars and Coffee, and some weekends, some weeks during the week, I know if I have the time, I do want to go to more week car shows, not just weekend car shows. But Mustang, because won't be being driven as much, it will kind of be a weekend car again. That's what I intended to buy it for, and that's what I'm going to use it for. But she is now mine. This is my Mustang, not a bank Mustang. So, say hello to my not really new daily driver, but my, once again, is officially my daily driver again. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Definitely let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you all think I should do any mods to the Tacoma, do let me know, because I'm open to suggestions on anything I could do. Anything reasonably priced. I'm not going to be putting a lot of money into this truck at all. If anything, I do want to keep it my reliable daily driver. At one point, I kind of was thinking I might do the URD supercharger for it. That was kind of a terrible idea, but it is something I put out there. Maybe when I graduate, instead of getting a new truck, just put a supercharger on it and keep it, even leave it sort of the beat up dings and everything. Make it just look like a standard Tacoma and have it as a sleeper. It's always something I've kept in mind. That would be, I think, pretty cool, just because no one would expect it. It'd be pretty cool. I could take it to car shows, convince them to actually let me into the car show, not just get turned away. But, as I said, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about all of this. Like I said, more exciting content coming. I know my content's been lacking, but I've also been busy. Basically, quitting my job has been, I didn't think it would take as much busyness as I could just going back to school, but I would say at least another week I'll probably be doing some simple content, but I'm hoping to get back to main content soon. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Do have some exciting content already up on the channel, and I do want to get back to making the good content, so I promise you all, better content is coming. But anyway, take care, have a good day.